Inventory management is important to successful retail operations. In an increasingly competitive industry, merchants require comprehensive solutions to optimize inventory, reduce stockouts, and meet customer expectations as soon as possible. Shopify POS understands this requirement and provides an advanced inventory management system that connects smoothly with the point-of-sale solution. Shopify POS enables shops to streamline operations, boost customer satisfaction, and drive profitability by providing real-time stock updates, automated replenishment, and low stock warnings. With this video, we'll look at the importance and advantages of advanced inventory management with Shopify POS. Updates on stocks in real time. Inventory management accuracy is critical for merchants to meet client requests while avoiding costly stockouts or overstock situations. Shopify POS delivers real-time stock updates, allowing sellers to see their inventory levels at any moment. When products are sold via the POS system, the inventory is automatically changed, eliminating overselling. Retailers can make informed judgments about product availability and fulfillment using real-time stock data. They can confidently provide correct stock information to clients, reducing the chance of disappointing them with out-of-stock items. Transparency fosters trust and improves the customer experience, resulting in higher customer satisfaction and repeat business. Restocking Robot. Manually tracking inventory levels and beginning replenishment processes takes time and is prone to human mistake. Shopify POS streamlines this procedure by allowing for automated refilling. Retailers can specify inventory criteria, and when stock levels fall below certain levels, the system automatically sends restocking notifications or purchase orders. Automated restocking not only saves retailers time, but also guarantees that ideal stock levels are maintained without requiring excessive manual involvement. This streamlined approach to inventory replenishment eliminates the possibility of stockouts, increases inventory turnover, and reduces the expenses associated with overstocking. Furthermore, automated restocking in Shopify POS enables shops to develop productive connections with their suppliers. Retailers may establish stronger supplier partnerships and negotiate advantageous terms by precisely anticipating their inventory needs and communicating replenishment requests in a timely way. Low stock notifications. When popular products are out of stock, sales opportunities are lost and customers are unsatisfied. With its low stock alerts function, Shopify POS addresses this issue. Retailers can set up automatic warnings when stock levels hit a certain threshold, ensuring that any stock shortages are detected as soon as possible. Low stock alerts enable retailers to avert stockouts by taking proactive measures. They can replenish products quickly, look at alternative sourcing sources, or change their marketing strategies to promote alternative products. By anticipating stock shortages, businesses may keep a steady supply of popular items, consistently meet client expectations, and avoid revenue losses. Improved inventory understanding. Inventory data that is up to date provides significant insights into corporate performance and supports in strategic decision-making. Shopify POS provides businesses with access to detailed inventory information, allowing them to evaluate sales patterns, identify top-performing products, and optimize their product assortment. Retailers can learn more about their customers' preferences and shopping habits by recording and analyzing inventory data. This data enables merchants to discover patterns, estimate demand, and make data-driven inventory management decisions. Based on these data, they can change stock levels, introduce new products, or phase out underperforming items, maximizing inventory investment and profitability.